Ever found yourself drowning in the overwhelming sea of travel planning? Picture this, you've got a dreamy destination in mind. The excitement is palpable, but as you dive into the logistics, stress begins to set in. Flights, accommodation, activities, the checklist seems endless. Join us as we unpack some game-changing gems and reveal resources that will transform your travel planning woes into a breeze. So let's turn that stress into excitement, shall we? Welcome to Exped.com, your haven for well-being travel. Stress associated with planning supposedly peaceful getaways is incredibly common. Studies suggest that more effective and efficient planning not only reduces stress, but also enhances the enjoyment of the trip itself. So here's the first stress-busting strategy for you to try. Define your travel goals. Just like any goal, understanding what you want to achieve serves as the compass, guiding you toward a well-orchestrated and meaningful adventure. Research shows that travelers who set specific goals for their trips are more likely to report higher levels of satisfaction. It's all about intentionality. Consider what you aspire to gain from the experience. Is it relaxation, cultural immersion, adventure, or perhaps a blend of all of these? Are you seeking personal growth, rejuvenation, or a chance to explore the new horizons? By crystallizing your travel goals, you not only set the tone for a purposeful journey, but also lay the groundwork for crafting an itinerary that resonates in your aspirations. It's the first step into transforming your trip from a mere excursion into a personally enriching and fulfilling expedition. Utilize travel planning tools and apps. We live in a digital age, and there's a wealth of tools and apps designed to make your travel planning a breeze. From itinerary planners to packing checklists, there is no shortage of resources that can simplify the entire process for you. Embrace the convenience of the world that we live in, with apps that effortlessly synchronize your travel details. In this age of innovation, the abundance of digital tools serves as a modern-day compass, guiding you through the complexities of travel planning with unprecedented ease and precision. Go with the flow. Why burden yourself with exhaustive, detailed planning when you can embrace the liberating beauty of minimal travel? The philosophy is simple: less planning equals less travel stress. If your flexibility and budget allow, why not consider just going with the flow? Picture this, a journey where chance and fate takes the lead, and every turn becomes an opportunity for delightful discovery. Imagine strolling through unfamiliar streets, unburdened by a rigid itinerary, and stumbling upon hidden gems you never would have known existed. The joy of spontaneity not only opens the door to unexpected adventures, but also allows the magic of exploration to unfold organically. So let your curiosity be your travel guide, and prepare to be pleasantly surprised. After all, some of the most cherished travel memories are often born from the unplanned moments. Delegate and share responsibilities. No need to carry the entire burden of planning on your shoulders. Delegating and sharing responsibilities amongst travel companions can not only lighten the load, but also lead to more enjoyable experiences with fresh ideas being explored. There's an art to sharing the load. Distributing responsibilities isn't just about lightening the logistical load, it's a recipe for more collaborative adventure. Discover how dividing tasks strategically can turn the planning phase into a collective effort, where each member contributes their strengths and preferences, cultivating an atmosphere of teamwork, ensuring that everyone's interests and desires are considered. Remember that stress-free travel planning is not just about the logistics, it's about setting a momentum for unforgettable moments. If you're ready to transform your journey, head over to Exped.com for travel experiences made with your well-being in mind, so that together we create memories for life.